The Honda Motor Company is famous for making small cars, and our definition of small now is way different than it used to be. So these are some of the original small Honda cars. And it's really hard to get an idea of just how small is until you get out and small down with these small cars. So two-door hatchbacks, not a lot of power, like maybe a motorcycle-sized engine in them, tiny little wheels, tiny little everything. You can see some actual humans walking by to give you a sense of perspective. So kind of like Mr. Bean's car, but maybe plus a few percentage points. And if we look inside the original small Honda, we find that everything actually is small, though there is a surprising amount of leg room and appears to be decent headroom as well in there. There's a tiny back seat, and then back in the way back, there's room for some drinks and a cooler. And of course, you're gonna need small power to get that small car down the road. So you see the engine is actually smaller than the battery on the left there and the engine in the middle. But that's believe this is relatively stock. Again, the Honda guys who are watching this can correct me if I'm wrong, but this one is definitely a Resto mod. So this guy has taken a big engine and put it in the small Honda. I imagine if the car weighs 1,200 or 1,500 pounds, that thing probably rips down the road pretty good. And here is what one looks like in the wild, driven by a normal sized person past other normal sized people. You see just how tiny it is. Shriners probably would want to rent this to do their parade every year. But it's really neat that these guys have put these cars together, kept them running, and customized them and brought them out for dum-dums like me to make clickbait YouTube videos about. Really appreciate that. And all you Honda guys, comment, like, subscribe. Hope this doesn't offend anybody, and it was fun to watch. Thanks.